Pula na?
Pula 𝗪𝗪𝗪, how was school today?
Good. We learned about violence against children. Our teacher talked about child marriages. Do you know about it?
Yes, Nungulelwa. Come under and sit with me. You're 13 now, and I want to tell you a story, my story, so you can know your rights and make better choices.
What story na?
When I was your age, life for me was very different. I had a lot of dreams, but I didn't get proper education in school. No one told me about my body and how to make informed choices. When I was 15, I got pregnant with you. Your grandparents are very strict on me. There was a traditional wedding done with your father so that I didn't bring shame to the family. My childhood ended that day. I felt scared, lost and alone. I dropped out of school, out of shame, fear, the stigma, and the responsibilities I had taken on as a young mother and wife.
Isana, your life must have been really hard.
It was hard, but 𝗪𝗪, you have more opportunities now to learn from my story and make better choices.
Early enforced child marriage is a human rights violation. Under Fiji's Marriage Act 1968, amended 2009, girls must be 18 to marry. The Crimes Act 2009 also protects children under 16 from any sexual activity because a child cannot give consent. That's why early pregnancy and marriage are not just unfair, they can also break the law. Fiji supports international laws that protect children and women, like the Convention on the Rights of the Child, CRC, which says every child has the right to be safe and have a right to education, while CEDAW, the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, helps ensure girls and women can live free from discrimination and violence.
Nah, that was a violation of your rights.
Yes, it is a violation of my rights. But unfortunately, it is still happening in our country, despite existing laws. It is good to see that your school is sharing important information on this so that girls your age know that it is a crime.
According to the 2021 Fiji Bureau of Statistics Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey, about 9% of girls are married before 18, with the highest rates in the Northern Division, 12%, and around 8 to 9% in the Central, Western, and Eastern Divisions. The laws exist, but Fiji schools need comprehensive sexuality education, CSE, so that children are able to make informed choices about their lives.
Your Na is more empowered now, Sarah, and I know my rights. Knowledge gave me courage, and education gave me strength. 𝗪𝗪𝗪, girls like you need more informative spaces to learn and ask questions. Communities, parents, teachers, and faith leaders must all join hands together by talking openly, teaching each other, and protecting each other.
I want to help too, na?
My life is different now because I learned my rights. And you, Sarah, can have a different story too. Education, health, freedom, these are your rights. Stand strong, know your power, and never be afraid to say no. Knowledge is power, and you have it, 𝗪𝗪𝗪.
At the Fiji Women's Rights Movement, we believe every girl deserves education, safety, and freedom from early and enforced marriage. Let's break the silence together.